Did you know that nearly 40% of adults in the US are classified as obese? This staggering statistic highlights the urgent need for effective weight management solutions. But fear not. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods, those nutrient-packed powerhouses that can make a real difference in your weight loss journey. Whether you're struggling with obesity or just looking for effective dietary changes, this video is for you. We'll explore lesser-known superfoods that can not only support your weight management goals, but also enhance your overall health. So let's uncover the superfoods that could transform your diet. First, let's define what we mean by superfoods. These are nutrient-rich foods that offer multiple health benefits. Think of them as the superheroes of the food world. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they can boost your health in countless ways. When it comes to weight management, superfoods can play a pivotal role. They often enhance metabolism, help reduce cravings, and promote fat loss. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make your weight loss journey not only effective, but enjoyable. Now, let's simplify the science behind weight loss and superfoods. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. A higher metabolic rate means you burn more calories, even at rest. Superfoods can help boost this process. Next, we have the concept of nutrient density versus caloric density. Superfoods provide high levels of nutrients with fewer calories, making them perfect for weight loss. This means you can eat more while consuming fewer calories. And here's a hidden gem: studies have shown that certain superfoods can significantly impact weight management. For example, the polyphenols in green tea can increase fat oxidation during exercise. Fascinating, right? Let's kick off our list with avocado. This creamy delight is rich in healthy fats and fiber. It helps keep you full longer, which means fewer cravings and snacking. Plus, it aids in fat metabolism. What's not to love? Next up, we have quinoa, a complete protein source loaded with essential amino acids. It's perfect for controlling hunger thanks to its high satiety factor. A single serving can keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. Now, let's talk about berries. Blueberries and raspberries are antioxidant powerhouses that come packed with fiber but low in sugar. Did you know that their compounds can help reduce belly fat? It's true. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can give your weight loss a sweet boost. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are another fantastic choice. They're low in calories yet high in nutrients. Eating these can fill you up without piling on the calories. Plus, they help detoxify the body. Talk about a win-win. Last but not least, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They absorb water, expanding in your stomach and creating a feeling of fullness. Want to add them to your meals? Try soaking them overnight in almond milk for a delicious pudding. Now let's get creative. Pairing superfoods can enhance their benefits. For example, have you tried avocado on whole grain toast? This combo not only boosts nutrient absorption, but also keeps you satisfied longer. Here are some quick recipes to try at home. Berry smoothie, blend spinach, banana, and a handful of berries for a delicious breakfast. Quinoa salad. Mix cooked quinoa with chopped veggies and a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing lunch. Ready to start incorporating these superfoods? Here are some practical tips. Meal planning. Dedicate a day to plan your meals around these superfoods. This way, you'll always have healthy options on hand. Shopping tips. Check out local farmers markets for fresh superfoods, or explore online grocery options for convenient delivery. Let's hear from those who've successfully integrated superfoods into their diets. For instance, Sarah lost 30 pounds by incorporating quinoa and berries into her meals daily. Her energy levels skyrocketed, and she felt more confident than ever. Real stories like hers can inspire you on your own journey. To recap, superfoods are powerful allies in your weight loss journey, offering immense health benefits while keeping you satisfied. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite superfoods? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.